Hey, welcome to Deako. Meet our smart dimmer. In this video, we'll show you how to install it and its features. For rooms where you want total control of the brightness of your lights, along with the personalization features available in the Deako app. The smart dimmer has a sleek design with its subtle LED lights to indicate the dim brightness of your room from up close or far. Not only does it function as a physical on-off switch, but the dimming feature works alongside the Deako app when connected, so you never lose full control. Simply remove the faceplate, pull out your existing switch, replace it with the new one by pushing it into the backplate, and it's that easy. Now that you know how to install and use your smart dimmer, you're ready to enjoy all the innovative lighting solutions that Deako provides.